The full-scale crash facility for roadside safety hardware of the Korea Expressway Corporation, which has been making safe expressway environments by putting people's lives first, is the biggest institute for the performance evaluation and research of vehicle protection and safety hardware in Korea. The full-scale crash facility for roadside safety hardware was designated as a performance test agency by the Ministry of Land, Transport and Maritime Affairs in 2004 and acquired the certification as an internationally accredited testing institute by the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy in 2012. Our facility makes a safer expressway environment by researching and developing roadside safety hardware and testing them with vehicle impact evaluations more than 100 times a year. Furthermore, our facility takes an important role in activating overseas expansion of domestic firms by making our impact test results with real vehicles certified in Europe through the business agreement with TEJAS, the European Certification Agency. Our facility tests the performance of the roadside safety hardware in expressways through impact tests with real vehicles. The vehicle is modified for a test, and the roadside safety hardware is installed. The vehicle impacts the pre-installed safety hardware with the predetermined speed and angle. Roadside barriers, bridge railing, median barriers, emergency opening median barriers, transition barriers, guardrail end treatments, crash cushions, truck-mounted crash cushions, EU-certified CE certification test. The full-scale crash facility for roadside safety hardware is making a more perfect and safe expressway environment by conducting vehicle impact tests more than 100 times a year. The Korea Expressway Corporation also installed a test bed for non-destructive testing methods for the first time in Korea. The test bed has diverse underground objects, 173 objects of 19 different types, including void and ground settlement, which could trigger traffic accidents. It has been utilized to test the efficiency of diverse NDT methods, including GPR. By allowing research institutes, universities, and private companies to freely use the test bed for research and equipment tests, the Korea Expressway Corporation contributes to the development of domestic testing technology and the realization of social values. We make a more advanced and safe future of expressways. As the premier agency for testing roadside safety hardware and leading the traffic safety in Korea, we are doing our best to provide a safe expressway environment with the pride of protecting people's lives. Korea Expressway Corporation Research Institute, full-scale crash test facility for roadside safety hardware.